Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishna, I'm a CA student and I make videos about everything related to the CA course. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about the mandatory OC training for CA students. So let's talk about it. If you're a CA student and you have recently passed your exams or you are somewhere around inter, this word keeps popping up everywhere and no one exactly explains it properly. So OC training, which stands for Orientation Course, is basically a 15-day soft skills training that every CA student has to complete before starting their articleship. But honestly, calling it just a soft skills training wouldn't exactly be fair because it's actually your first real introduction to ICAI as a professional and not just a student. Now, who needs to do this? Short answer is every single CA student. There's no escape here. OC training is a mandatory part of the CA course, and without completing it, you literally cannot begin your articleship. So, whether you love public speaking or you're kind of a person who avoids introductions in class, OC is happening either way. Coming to the big question, when should you do your OC training? Technically, once you pass foundation, you are eligible to do it anytime. But practically, and this is my personal recommendation, the best time is after you finish your intermediate exams, preferably after both groups, when you're waiting for your results, and that's also exactly what I'm doing. I signed up for OC training right after my exams ended, and my plan is to be done with the training even before the results are out. It kind of just clears your head, keeps you productive, and honestly feels like a transition from student phase to professional mode. Now, where do you actually do this training from? OC trainings are conducted at ICAI branches across India. But, and this is really important, they are not available in every city. So you really need to do your research properly. In some cases, you might actually have to travel to another city to attend the training. Coming to me, I'm doing my OC training from Gurugram branch, and trust me, my batch is proof of how common traveling is for this. I have batchmates who have come from Odisha, Lucknow, Himachal, and so many other places. So yeah, it's pretty common if your OC ends up being a mini vacation for you. Now, coming to registration, it's pretty simple. You just need to Google ITOC login, create your account on the ICAI portal, fill in your details, and once you have registered, you can apply for any batch that suits your date and location. Now, let's get real and talk about what you actually learn in OC training. First of all, no, you are not going to magically become a confident speaker or a personality god in just 15 days. And ICAI doesn't promise that either. But what this course does give you is a safe space to come out of your shell. Especially if you are someone who's never done public speaking, never participated in group discussions, or someone who has always avoided being that person who raises their hands. So this is kind of your starting point. You'll do group discussions, you'll do presentations, mock interviews, and a lot of interactive activities. More importantly, you'll learn about articleship, different domains, emerging areas, industrial training, and what life after inter actually looks like. The official OC curriculum also focuses on communication skills, time management, presentation skills, teamwork, office etiquette, and understanding the professional environment. So basically, all the things no one teaches you in your theory subjects, but apparently everyone expects you to magically know once you enter a CA firm, right? Another thing, honestly, one of the most underrated benefits of this course is the people. You meet other CA students just like you and me, you network, you make friends, and suddenly the journey feels a little less lonely. Anyways, now let's talk about the money because that really matters. The fees for the training is 7,000 rupees or 7,050 including your GST. It's a fixed ICAI fee, so it doesn't change from branch to branch, right? A lot of people also ask about transportation. Well, I can only speak about my branch because since my branch is in Manesar, it's quite far for many students. So ICAI Manesar actually provides a bus facility which is outsourced. So yes, some branches do provide transport, especially if the center is not easily accessible. So you should always check this with the branch while registering, right? As for the timings, that depends on the batch that you choose. But generally speaking, the training runs for about 6 to 7 hours a day. And yes, snacks and lunch are also included, so you don't have to stress about carrying food to training every day. Finally, let's address the fashion panic, right? What do you even wear to the OC training? The rule is simple and straightforward. Formals only. denims are strictly prohibited. For girls, you can even wear decent kurtis, and by decent I mean not the ones which are sparkly, right? For boys, boys can go with formal shirts and trousers. And if you ever get confused, Pinterest is your best friend. Just search for formal outfits for office. And also, if you want, I can even make a separate video showing exactly what I wore during my OC training, because I know this question stresses people a lot, in fact, more than it should. Well, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the OC training. If you are entering the phase soon, don't overthink it. Just go in with an open mind, participate even if it feels awkward at first, and trust me, you'll come out more confident than you went in. Also, if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.